Good morning, everyone. Class 11, Subject Biology, Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Let's begin. Now, depending upon the type of system of classification organism are classified into following kingdom system. First, two kingdom system proposed by Linnaeus grouped on the basis of presence and absence of cell wall. Divided into two kingdom system, Plantae and Animalia. Next, three kingdom system divided into three kingdom system given by Haeckel, separated unicellular animals, algae, fungi on the basis of lack of tissue differentiation, and new kingdom Protista was introduced. Three kingdom system, Plantae, Protista, Animalia. Next, five kingdom system. Five kingdom system given by R.H. Whitaker. Five kingdom system: first Monera, second Protista, and third fungi, fourth Plantae, fifth Animalia. Divided all the organisms into five kingdom system in order of developed phylogenetic classification. You have discussed about phylogenetic classification in previous class, and you have seen the previous video. And now Monera, first Monera, the kingdom includes all prokaryotes. The kingdom includes all prokaryotes, mycoplasma, bacteria, actinomycetes, and cyanobacteria. Monera, unicellular prokaryotes and contain the most primitive of living form. The cells are microscopic and cell wall is generally present. Genetic materials are not organized into nucleus and contain naked DNA. Membrane bounded organelles are absent. Reproduction is asexual except gene recombination. Flagella may be present and are of single stranded. For example, blue-green algae, bacteria, etc. Next, Protista. Protista kingdom. Protista include chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime mold, and protozoans. First point is it includes all unicellular and colonial eukaryotes. Most of them are aquatic forming plankton. Third point is mode of nutrition may be photosynthetics, saprophytics, and parasitic or holozoic. Fourth point is flagella, if present, are 11 stranded with 9 plus 2 arrangement of microtubules composed of tubulin. Fifth, genetic material consists of 2 or more DNA molecules. Slime mold. They are saprophytic protists and feeds on decaying twigs and leaves. Under favorable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium, which produce fruiting bodies bearing spores. The cell wall of spores contains cellulose. The spores are dispersed by air currents, for example, Physarum fuligo, protozoans. All protozoans are heterotrophs and line as predators or parasites. They are considered as primitive relatives of animals. Amoeboids move and capture food by pseudopodia. Some are parasitic also. Flagellated protozoans are free living or parasitic. They have flagella. Ciliated protozoans are aquatic and have infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. Show the raw diagram. Protozoans. Protozoans, amoeboids, amoeba and amoeba. Protozoans flagellated, trypanosoma. Protozoans ciliated, paramecium. Protozoans are sporozoans plasmodium, ciliated. Next, bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms that can survive in all kinds of climate. Bacteria, coccus bacteria is spherical shaped and spirillum spiral or coiled shaped, vibrio comma shaped, and bacillus rod shaped bacteria. Show in this figure. See the figure. Cocci, bacilli, spirilla, vibrio, and shaped. They are group of most primitive prokaryotes which live under most hostile conditions like extreme salty area halophils, hot springs thermosidophils, and marshy area methanogens. Methanogens are positive in the gut of several ruminant animals like cows and buffalo, which is responsible for production of biogas methane from dung of these animals. Thank you, students. Next we have continue next lecture in a next video. Thank you.